I would say the extrasensory perception could really dissect what alchemy really.
We're just waiting for John to get in the room.
Who are biologically predisposed, I would say the extrasensory perception could really.
You ever met a Jehovah's Witness?
Is there anything you'd like to plug or mention? Improvise your way to the groundlings. You want to get out. You want to get anywhere.
What's the craziest thing you ever said in an elevator?
The craziest thing I ever said in the elevator was, I farted.
Well,
and then there was the guy after him.
Ray Combs.
So cool. You have any movie posters?
Greta Thunberg! Those are the lines.
And that's your woman voice?
That's my woman voice.
I'm trying to, be healthier.
No, I want the real answer, Fred. Don't bullshit me.
You did make the transition from Hollywood Squares to Match Game, and let me ask you that: was it easier having
fish again? That fucking fish again. Okay, tell me about that.
Achieving the same reaction. It was just like, man, I felt like I was really watching a dream unfold. And to be a guest on your show, man, that just blew me away. I just said, man, I really hope I can live up to this guy's expectation. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.